Pardon?
I just realized that your video's here.
Yeah. Okay. For this one, there's a minor error, so please listen and make this change. Where it says 12 meters east for 7 minutes, can you please change that to seconds? If it's a high-speed chase, I hope he wouldn't take 7 minutes to drive 12 meters. Yeah.
They're on golf carts.
Yeah, okay, yeah. A crazy golf cart felon. Okay, and then again here, instead of 15 minutes, it's 15 seconds. So thank you for making that adjustment.
Yeah, look what
It's like
it's
those little, like,
They're in
plastic
hyperdrive.
things on.
It's like,
Okay. So this is a similar question as number 1. So here we are looking for V average again is equal to D total over T total. My D1 is equal to 12 meters and my D2 is equal to 18 meters. Again, I don't need to...
Totals over.
Pardon me, sorry?
For the equation, the totals over total.
Oh, T total, thank you. Yeah. And here I'm given separate times. I'm not given it overall, so then I'm going to write T1 is equal to 7 seconds, not minutes, and T2 is equal to 15 seconds. So now again I can be more specific and say that my V average is equal to D1 plus D2 over T1 plus T2. So now I'm going to put that into the actual formula. So I have 12 meters plus 18 meters divided by 7 seconds plus 15 seconds. Again, when you put this into your calculator, either do it in a 2-step process or put things into brackets. So you could go like 12 plus 18 and then hit the enter sign. And then go 7 plus 15, hit the enter sign. And then divide the two over each other. Do you guys know about the second answer button on your calculator?
Yeah. I do.
Yes. You know second answer? So say like you put in 12 plus 18, okay? And then you want to say, okay, well that answer, so second answer, because they're in the yellow, you see answer, divided by 7 plus 15. Exactly.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Or if you want to go like 30 divided by, and you still want that answer.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool. I didn't know.
Yeah, so then you don't have to retype everything in.
Oh, okay, that's
I
right.
just know.
Yeah. You can do this all in one step too. You could go bracket 12 plus 18, close bracket, divided by bracket 7 plus 15, close bracket. Good, okay, I'm glad. Well done. Just want to make sure you guys kind of know some of those calculator tricks because it can save you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on a test when you don't want to spend half your test going. So when you plug this in, you should get 1.3636 meters per second. We need to put this into sig digs. So everywhere in my question was 2 sig digs. You don't include the 180 turn because that's just information. It's not; those aren't digits that we're using in a calculation. So I need this to 2 sig digs. So this is 1.4 because I round up meters per second, and that's your final answer.
Excuse me.
Yes. Okay. Let's try doing the average velocity now. So here we know our V average with our arrow on top, because it's a vector quantity, is equal to D total over T total. So D1 is equal to, now I'm working with east and west. So east is normally what? Positive and west is negative. So D1 is going to be positive 12 meters and D2 is equal to negative 18 meters. T1 is still the same, it's 7 seconds, because our time never changes and we don't ever need to put a negative or a positive to it. Time is just one direction. So T1 is 7 and T2 is 15. So now again, I can be more specific about my equation. So V average is equal to D1 plus D2 divided by T1 plus T2. So V average is equal to positive 12 meters plus negative 18 meters, all divided by 7 seconds plus 15 seconds. Again, you can put it all into one step in your calculator by putting all of this into brackets, divided by all of this into brackets. So when you put this in, you should get V average is equal to negative 0.2727 meters per second. I need to translate that into its direction. So negative in this context is what?
West.
West. So my V average is equal to 0.27, because I need 2 sig days, meters per second, comma, west. You could also write west as just square brackets and put a W. That means the same thing, if you would like. Okay, next I am going to do a couple practice problems just